Evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. We begin with news that the local stock market continues to decline. Of the 76 stocks which traded today, 55 declined, 17 advanced, and 4 traded firm. The value of the main market index is at the lowest in 10 months, and the junior market index is at a 2-year low. The junior market lost 100 points today. Since the start of the year, the combined index has lost about 10% of its value. The major losers today included Epley, First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, Key Insurance, Proven Investments, and Cargo Handlers. On the winning side, we had JMMB Group 7.5%, 1834 Investments, iCreate, Honeybun, and Mayberry Investments. Gas prices are going down tomorrow. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $3.02 less. Automotive diesel will decline by $3.01, while $3.02 will be cut from the price of ultra-low sulfur diesel. It will cost $3 less for kerosene. The price of propane will decline by $1.55 and butane $2.99. The Grace Kennedy GK Group is stocking up on both raw and finished products. Chief Executive Officer Don Webby announced today that it's part of the group's preparation for COVID-19. He was speaking at GK's investor briefing webinar, and Andrew Lady reports.
Grace Kennedy has a presence in the United States of America, Canada, the United Kingdom, Japan, India, and Africa. In addition to that, GK brands are distributed in about 40 countries around the globe. That's why the GK Group is implementing strict measures to reduce the impact of COVID-19 on its business.
Operationally, interestingly, we have done our checks. We actually have 2 months' supply of all the finished products and raw materials. Remember, Grace Kennedy in Jamaica, we have 6 factories. So we have raw materials and finished products from areas that we would have bought which have been affected by the coronavirus.
The company has identified alternative suppliers for its raw material, but Mr. Webby admits that those products won't come cheap.
As part of our planning process, even before this was announced, we have a system where we must have alternative suppliers. We have activated our alternative suppliers who are not in the affected area to replace the products from the affected areas. We can confirm that the alternative suppliers will in fact be on the more expensive side. What you have to remember also is that all countries and all businesses with similar products as Grace Kennedy is really going to be going to some of these suppliers. So while we see an increase, we're going to try and see how to best manage the cost.
In the meantime, the company has issued travel restrictions for all its employees as a precautionary measure.
Effective yesterday, we have put in travel restrictions on all Grace Kennedy staff, and the Grace Kennedy staff can only travel on essential business, and it will have to be approved by me if they so desire to travel on essential business.
Andrew Lately, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.72. The Canadian dollar, $101.79. The pound sterling costs $173.66, while the euro sells for $151.24. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.